On this video today, I'm going to be showing you a secret traffic source that you can use to earn up to $350 per day. This is a simple method that you can use to make money wherever you are in the world, and you are not going to pay for anything. The traffic source is free. Everything that I'm about to show you in this video is free. So make sure you follow me till the end, and I will show you all the details that you need to know about this particular method. As you can see, this is one of my ClickBank accounts, and you can see that I have gotten sales with this method that I'm about to show you. As you can see the figures right here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'll take you step by step so that you understand everything that you need to understand. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here and click on the marketplace. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to scroll down and come to e-business and e-marketing category. So you are going to open that category so that you can get products to promote. So once you click on the e-business and e-marketing category, you can see there are products here that you can promote. Let's sort by gravity. So when you come here, you are going to click on this, the rank, and you are going to sort by gravity. As you can see, once you sort by gravity, you can see the top products in this category. You can see this is the product with the highest gravity in this category, so it means this product is getting sales. As you can see the gravity number here. So when you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of them that you can promote, but you are going to be looking at the commission rate. So when you come here, you can see that this one has a higher commission rate. You are going to earn $350 per one sale as compared to the top one, which is $43 per sale. So we are going to be promoting the one with the highest commission rate, so that when you get a sale, you can make a lot of money per day. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product, Perpetual Income 365. So this is the product that we are going to be promoting in this tutorial. So now once you have selected the product, now let's get into the traffic source, and I will show you how to use this method to make money just working for some few minutes. As you can see, for the traffic source, we are going to be using this website listjumper.com. So this is a website that has a lot of business owners as members. So we are going to be promoting our product to people in this particular website. So you are going to also join as a member, and you are going to be promoting your product to other members. It's free to use, and I will show you how to use it in a step-by-step guide. So what you are going to do is that you have to come here and then click on register so that you can sign up for a free account. It's completely free to sign up. Once you sign up, you are going to log in. So I'm going to log in into my accounts, and I'll take you through step by step on how to use this website to get maximum results. Once you create an account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. There are two ways that you can use to promote your product on this platform. The first way is that you are going to send an email ad. So you are going to send an email to the members of this platform, and they are going to receive your email. Once they read it, they can click through your affiliate product and then make a purchase. The second way is that you are going to be using premium ads. So what you are going to do is that you are going to run ads on this platform for free, and you are going to reach a lot of people, and when they click through, they can make a purchase, and you'll be earning money from home. The good thing is that you don't need to buy anything on this platform. You don't need to pay for anything. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be clicking on these ads that you are seeing on your screen. As you can see, these premium ads, once you click on any of them, you are going to wait for 20 seconds, and then you are going to get credit to also run your ads on this platform. So let me demonstrate that for you to see. So I'm going to click on this ad to demonstrate for you to see. So you are going to click on it. So as you can see, once you click on the ad, you can see this is how it looks like. You can see 20 seconds. So it will count down to 0, and I will earn credit to run premium ads on this particular platform for free. And I will show you my own results. So as you can see, it is counting down. As you can see, 8, 7, and then 6, it will get to 0. So as you can see, it got to 0, and I've earned 23 premium ad credits. So it means I can run an ad, but my ad will be displayed to 23 people in this platform. So you need to earn more credit so that your ad can reach a lot of people. So you can come here and then click on the second one, and you are going to wait for the same period, and you'll be earning credit, as you can see right here. So as you can see, this one, it is counting down. Once it counts down, you can also get credit to run your ads. So as you can see right here, I'm going to wait. When it gets to 0, then you see the amount of credit that I'll earn for viewing this ad, as you can see. So as you can see, this is 0, and you can see that for this ad I have earned 20 premium ad credits plus my 23. That means I now have 43. So it means when I run an ad in this platform, it is going to reach 43 people. So it's just simple as this. So you are going to be clicking on these ads. So once you click on all these ads, you are going to come here and click on refresh, and a different set of ads will come, and you are going to click on it again, and you are going to be earning more credits as you view the ads on this platform. So once you earn more credit, you are not going to come here and then run an ad on this platform, and you are going to reach a lot of people. So you are going to come here, click on premium ads, so that you can run an ad on this platform. So once you click on premium ads, you can see my ad history right here. You can see that I have allocated 700 credit for this ad, and I got 351 impression and then 53 clicks, and you can see the conversion rate is 15.54%. You can see another ad here. I have allocated 200 credits and I got 199 impression, and as you can see here, the clicks I got 37. When you come here, you can see that the click-through rate is 18.59. As you can see, these are my results, but as a free member you are allowed to run 3 premium ads. So I have deleted some of my ads so that I can get space to demonstrate for you to see. So when you come here, you can see my credit history right now. As you can see, I have 650 credit to run an ad, as you can see. So you are also going to be viewing other people's ads, and you are going to get free credits, and you can use them to run ads on this platform. So if you are going to run an ad, what you are going to do is that you are going to come here and click on add premium ad. So once you click on it, you are going to enter the text of your ad here, as you can see, and then the URL of your ad. So you can paste your landing page here, you can paste your affiliate link right here, and then here you are going to allocate some credit to it. So as you can see, I have 650 premium ads credit, so I can decide to allocate everything, or I can just locate the number that I want. So once you open a page like this, the next thing is that you are going to go back to ClickBank, or if you are using Store 24, you are going to go and then grab your affiliate link and then paste it right here. So once you come back to ClickBank, as you can see, you are going to click on this button promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. So once you click on promote, you have to enter your account's nickname right here, as you can see it here. Once you enter your account's nickname, the next thing is that you are going to click on generate hop link, so that you can now get your affiliate link. So once you click on generate hop link, you can see that this is your affiliate link, and this is unique to you. Anytime people purchase the product through this link, you are going to earn a commission. So you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to go back to your ad, and you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next thing is that you are going to enter the text here, so which means you can just enter the name of the product. So you are going to enter perpetual income, as you can see here, or any product that you are promoting, you can just add your title here. Once that is done, you are going to allocate credit. So as you can see, I have 650 premium ad credit. So let me locate 300 credit so that it will run for some time. If I'm not getting results, I can stop it and then run an ad for a different product. Once you locate the credit for your ad, the next thing is that you are going to come here and then click on save premium ad. Once you click on save premium ad, as you can see, your ad is going to be published. As you can see it right here, this is the number of credit that I have allocated, and you can see everything is 00 right now, as you can see. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to come to members home. Once you come to members home, you can get a lot of ads, so you are going to be viewing them so that you can earn a lot of credit to run ads on this platform. You can use just 10 minutes to earn up to 1000 premium ad credit, and you can use them to run your ads on this platform. You can spend 15 minutes, so it depends on the amount of time that you have. You can just spend time on this website, and you are going to be getting a result when you promote your affiliate link on this particular platform. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video, you get the notification so that you can watch it and take action very fast.